Hello, my name is Karina Finke and this is my Enhancement 5 assignment for class CIT336. So I will show you my assignment. So first of all, we will validate website pages. Let's check for CSS. Okay, there is no errors found. Let's check HTML. There is also no errors on this page. That's this category and new product. I already opened those pages. So let's validate this one. Here is also no errors found. And let's check the product page. And here's also no errors, so that's good. Let's see what I've done. So when we have the category, if we are not adding anything, so it's asking us to fill out the blank place, but we can now validate it, and it will automatically give here the category name. If we will fill it out with, let's see, so it will get us here the category. So we have the category, the product. I fixed that one, so we can select it. So if we refresh this one, we will get this info over here. So that works, that's good. So let me quickly show you what I've done. So I added here the library function. I guess I didn't finish it completely. So, but I added because I still have this navigation here. And when I was watching the video, that was required that we first edit here the get category code, but then instead of adding it to the function, we added it up here. So I don't know if it should be in functions or it should stay here, but that's what I added here. And because we're already on this page, so I'll show you what else I have added to keep the. So I added all of the PHP codes here to keep and give it the right types everywhere and make it sticky so then it stays there on the page when we're adding the information, and then some information missing. For some reason, I don't know, I will show you later, in the products place I added all the codes, but it's still, when it's finding some mistake, it just deleting the information from the product field. And also the product description, it also not keeping the information there for some reason. But all of the codes were correct, I guess. So you have the hidden input here, and in the new category, I also get this PHP code over here and have the hidden input over here, the message information. Okay, and here in the controller, products controller, let's go down. I have added here the codes for the category page. So we have it, and also I added here for the add product page also the code, and made it for everything that has a number. So I have a different one. Here's all the same. Okay, I guess here was nothing to change as we did in the registration form. Oops, that I changed for the registration. Oops, sorry, that was here. That was in the index. Yes, so here I have changed for check the password, but I guess in in the products controller we just use all the regular variables. Okay, and let's go back to, I guess I showed all of the codes that I need, except for the functions. As I said, I just have the one that I created for email and password, and I think I'm still missing some piece of the code here. But can you please write me in the feedback what exactly, because I don't really sure what exactly I should have in here. Okay, so in the, on the product page, so the category page, I already show you that it's working and adding. And here, if we will select the category, the name, we'll type some info here, and I don't know, is it should be different or not, because it just automatically shows me the way. Okay, so if I will send it, so it shows me also that I need to fill out the field here. And now when I'm sending it, so it's everything in, and all the fields required. And when I will send it now, it shows me that I didn't provide all the information for the fields, but I did. And it's, for some reason, doesn't keep this here, because I was following the video and all the code, and it still doesn't stick in it here and here, and for some reason here. So that's what I've done, and if you can write me some feedback how I can improve it, I would be really grateful. And thanks for watching, and that's all for today. Goodbye.